In this exercise, we're going to work with materialized views. Let's create a stream called movements. Let's insert some data into that movement stream. Now we'll select person and count star. Scroll down to see the results. Let's move back up and edit that query to select person and count distinct location. Now let's go back to our editor and let's create a table that shows both of these aggregated calculations. Let's call that table person stats. We'll combine person, count star, and count distinct location with a field alias. Let's insert some more data into our movement stream to make this more interesting. Now let's select from person stats where person equals Allison. That's me. Let's go ahead and scroll down to see all of the times I have moved places and how many unique places I have been. And that's it. We've just worked with materialized views.